Hey fun class, it is time for some math. So you should have a paper like this that I sent home. I sent home a paper just like this, and we are going to do our math together. Now you are going to need some scissors and glue, and you're going to be cutting out these numbers here at the bottom. So let's do that first. Once again, not prepared, guys. And I don't even know. Where did I leave? Oh, right in front of me, you guys. Oh my goodness. Alright. You may have noticed also that my glasses are different. They look the same, but they're black. It's not just your imagination. I lost my glasses, so these are my old ones that are not very helpful, but better than nothing. So, it's not your eyes playing tricks on you. My glasses are black. They're not like my brown ones that I normally wear. I have no idea where I left my glasses, you guys. I don't know. Alright, so, I'm just taking the, cap of glue. You know, the glue dries, and then I can't get glue out, so. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to write your name at the top of your paper where it says name. So remember, that's always the first thing you should do on your worksheet. So I'm going to write my name right there, right up here at the top. And then we're going to look at our flames in a minute. We're going to do some addition. So let's cut out our numbers at the bottom. Just cut along the dotted lines, you guys. You'll see there's dotted lines, so just cut along those. And it's probably easier if you just cut out the big long strip first. Cut out this strip, and then you'll have this left. Then you're just going to go ahead and cut on the dotted line. Cut on each dotted line, and now you've separated your numbers. Okay, so now let's take a quick look also at our numbers before we start our addition. I'm just going to cut the bottom part off here, just because I don't like that bottom part. If it doesn't bother you, you can leave yours on. It gets in the way for me. Alright, so now we have our sheet. Our numbers are cut off. And let's look at our numbers. So we have the number, that is the number 4. So I'm going to put that up here. The number 7. So I'm going to put that up here. The number 2, so I'm going to put my 2 right there. The number 6, I didn't know if it was a 9 or a 6. It's a 6. And the number 10. Okay, so there are my numbers. My numbers are right here. Okay. So let's look at our first 2 flames. And the reason we're doing fire math is because remember when Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai passed away, he said that he wanted people to celebrate his life, and he wanted them to have parties and barbecues and do fun things. And that's why we do barbecues and bonfires and picnics on Lag BaOmer, because we are celebrating the life of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. So let's look at our first 2 flames up here. There's 1 blue flame and 1 orange flame. So let's add them together. Let's count. 1 plus 1. So now we're going to count them. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 1, 2. So find your number 2. Oh, mine's here. Your number 2. And then you're going to put a dot of glue on it. Not too much, okay? Like Teacher Gabby always does. A little bit of glue. And then we're going to glue it on next to our equal symbol. See? So 1 plus 1 equals 2. And we know that because we can count the flames. 1, 2. Okay, so let's move on now to our next one. Let's see. We have 1, 2 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals, let's find out. So now 2 plus 2, we're going to count how many flames are in total, and then we'll know what it equals. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So let's look for our number 4. Oh, I found mine. Let's see. Do you have yours? If you have yours, put it up in the air. So I have my number 4. So now I'm going to put a little bit of glue. And I'm going to glue it on my 2 plus 2. So you should have this now. It should look like that. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay? So let's move on to our next addition problem. And let's count how many flames are on each side of the plus sign. Okay? So on this side of the plus sign, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus, now let's count how many are on this side of the plus sign. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so 3 plus 3 equals, let's count them. Let's count what's on each side of the plus sign as one whole total. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So let's look for our number 6. Now, if you have your number 6, wave it in the air. Good job. And let's put some glue on our number 6. I'm running out of glue. All right, probably because I used too much. All right, I have glue on my number 6, and I'm going to glue my number 6 down. Right there. So now we have 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let me get that closer so you could see. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Ooh, only 2 more math problems to do, you guys. Good job. So let's look. Whoa, this one looks like a lot. So let's look at the first side. On this side of our plus sign, we're going to count these flames, and then we'll count the next flames, and then we'll add it together. So on this side of our plus sign, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So plus, let's count how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 plus 5. Let's see, what is 5 plus 5? What does that equal? Let's count it all total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's right. So let's get our number 10. Get your number 10. Put it up in the air. All right, and let's put a little bit of glue on that and stick it in. Stick it in that spot there. Okay. All right. And now there's just one left. And guess what? There's only one number left. And you could just stick that on there, but don't do it. First, let's do our math problem, okay? I know it's real tempting because you have that number there. You already have the answer. But we want to do the math problem. We want to do the work before we put the answer on, okay? So let's count. On this side of our plus sign, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus, let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4 equals, now let's total it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals, get your 7. It equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So let's glue that on. All right, you guys. Look at that. We did our fire worksheet together. Nicely done. So I hope that you had fun doing this. I know a lot of you guys have been working on your number packet that I sent, which is really cool. It's not homework, but I would like you to practice because if we were in class, we would have been practicing numbers about this time. So it's really important that you do practice, and it'll help you with your math. And how cool is math? How fun was this project to do together, you guys? So I hope you enjoyed doing this addition sheet with me as much as I enjoyed doing it with you. And if you liked this, let me know. I have more that I can send to you guys that you can do. So let me know if you liked this, and I will dig up some more and I will send them to you. But I did have fun, and I will see you in just a little bit for our listening center. So I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.